Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of our Defense Forces, Your Excellency First Lady Margaret Kenyatta, distinguished leaders present, Your Excellencies, ambassadors and high commissioners, na Wakenya mwenzangu hamjambo. Your Excellency, we are celebrating this 57th Jamhuri Day under unique, extraordinary, and unprecedented circumstances that has affected both our political, our social, and our economic status. Your Excellency, the corona pandemic has visited on us serious challenges to families who have lost loved ones, to families who have sick people, exerted a lot of pressure on our health infrastructure, including alongside that, Your Excellency, it has also affected livelihoods and businesses, big and small, and put a lot of pressure on our economy. Additionally, Your Excellency, this pandemic going into the future, in another 3 weeks or so, about 14 million of our children will be going to school after a whole year of absence. This situation is unprecedented, and Your Excellency, it calls on all of us to have a unity of purpose, unity of thought, unity of plan. We are confident, Your Excellency, that as you lead the charge to confront this unprecedented challenge in our country, like our forefathers confronted the might of colonialists, we too will overcome this challenge because we believe in your leadership, and together, united, we should be able to build the necessary consensus, to have the correct priorities so that we can confront and overcome this situation. Your Excellency, you have the prayers of millions of Kenyans as you lead this nation during these very difficult times. With those many remarks, Kenyans, it's now my humble duty to request His Excellency, the President of Kenya, to make his statement and lead us in these Jamhuri Day celebrations. Your Excellency, sir.